I'm TaLaya, and if you saw my recent home tour, you may have noticed my hand-painted walls. Here's a way for you to recreate that look in your home. So when we decided to make that room a workout room, I knew that I wanted an accent wall, and I was gonna wallpaper it, but I decided that I was gonna hand paint something instead. So I looked through Pinterest for some inspiration. Like on Instagram, some of my friends have done some in their homes, and I was just like, I know I can do that, so I'm gonna give it a try. I found a kind of a pattern that I really liked. I tweaked it a little bit to make it my own, and then I cut out the shapes, I traced them on the wall, and then I colored them in with a paintbrush. First thing I did was trace the shapes onto contact paper with household items such as a skillet, cups, and a ruler. Here's some of the shapes I already cut out. So with the shapes, this is where you'll have a little bit of fun, and you can arrange the shapes on the canvas in a very organic way that feels comfortable for you. It's basically, in my head, it's like a puzzle. I'm putting a puzzle together, and so I just try to fill in a lot of the negative space with shapes that just make sense for me in my mind. I like very elementary shapes, like triangles, rectangles, circles, pretty much mostly what I use. So now I just peel the backing off the contact paper, and then just place it on the canvas, and make sure you really lay down the edges, because when you paint over it, you don't want the paint to bleed under the shapes. And there we have our pattern. Okay, so next we're gonna paint over the shapes on the canvas and just paint lightly around the edges so that they don't bleed under the shapes. So before you start painting, make sure all of the edges are flush with the canvas. Sometimes they'll lift up a little bit on the sides. And as you paint, just remember to paint lightly around the edges of the shapes so that the paint doesn't bleed under the shapes. And you don't have to cover all of the shapes. You can just paint kind of around them and make sure you just get those edges. Very relaxing. All right. That part is done. So we're gonna let this dry, and then we're gonna peel off the contact paper. Okay, so you're gonna take something like a sharp edge so that you can lift up the corners of the shapes, and then just peel it off like that. This is the satisfying part. All right, so after we peel off all of the shapes, if you see that there are spots where you want to kind of fix the lines a little bit, you can take a smaller paintbrush and just kind of fill it in a little bit like this. And also, it's much easier to paint around the edges of the canvas with a smaller paintbrush as well. And this is how easy it is to create a pattern wall for your home. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Handmade for more home decor tips like this.